Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's topic, we'll talk about some Excel based special method and then values, formulas and format, right? So let's move into the coding part. So here you can see I have put the formula here in order to take the total amount of this unit. We have the unit and price, and what I've done, I've multiplied it, right? So what I want to copy to D15 to E2, right? In different three modes, like first values, then formula, then the format, right? So let me write this range E2 D15 dot copy. I'll copy it, simple, and then I'll copy this, paste it here, and I'll use paste special method. And now you can see these are the constant, right? So what I need the Excel values, right? So I'll pick this constant, right? Although alternatively you can give numerical values for that, right? So if I and I'll have to change this one. I've taken this range, so I'll use E2 to D2. E2. And alternatively, if I take off this E15, so it will also work in the similar way, but I want the precise one. So if I run this code, so it will copy only the values, not the formula. So now you can see here, you can see the formula here, right? But here you will not see any formula over here, right? Okay, if I want to use the formula instead of this thing, right? So what I need to do, so what will happen, since the formula will take the relative value, right? In case of E2 E3, it will actually multiply C3 and D3, because in Excel, if you don't freeze that the values, so it will take the relative values, right? So freezing using dollar sign, I'll talk it in later on, maybe in different videos. So let's focus on this thing only. So now I'll copy command will remain the same. The only thing I'll need to change is the instead of value I'll use formulas, right? And if I run this, so you can see instead of values, so earlier it was 412, 1200 and so on so forth, but now you can see the relative formulas, C3 to D3, right? Now if I want to format those values, so what I need to do, I'll copy it and paste it here, and the only thing I'll change is format. Instead of formula, I'll put format. So then you will see the format as well. So it has taken this tables formulas format, paste, the only format. So here you can see still this grid like value remains in clipboard. So you can paste it many times, like paste here, paste here, paste here, anywhere, until unless I make it false. So how I can do that? A application dot cut copy mode to false. If I run this code, so it will remove that clipboard. So now if I press Ctrl V here, so nothing happened because I have cleared the clipboard. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching my video, and if you find this video useful, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.